How to fix the error, type error, module object is not callable. What this error is saying is you're trying to call a module like it is a function instead of, most likely, a container for other functions. Say we imported math and then tried to call math. This is one way we might get this error. To fix this error, there are two options. If you want to leave your code editor, you can simply Google Python blank library. In this case, we will Google Python math library. If you click on the result from docs.python.org, you get documentation of all the available functions in the math library that you could use and call in your code. If you are not a fan of leaving your code editor, then you can alternatively use two awesome functions, dir and help. If you write print of dir of math, Python will print out every member of the math library. Most, if not everything from this printout will give you usable functions you can call from the math library. Then, if you want to know what a particular function in the math library does, then you can call help of math.whatever function you want to know more about. For example, you could call help of math.fabs. Like and subscribe to learn more.